Python is a powerful and popular programming language, but if you no longer need it on your Mac, uninstalling it takes more than just dragging it to the trash. In this video, we will show you how to remove Python completely. There are two options: manually uninstall and remove all related files, or use a professional tool for automatic cleanup. Let's walk through both methods step by step. To uninstall Python manually, first make sure it's not running. Right-click the Python icon in the dock and choose Quit. Next, open the Applications folder and move Python to the trash. However, Python also leaves behind support files, so you'll need to remove those as well for a complete uninstall. In Finder, press Command plus Shift plus G, type ~/library and press Enter. Check the following folders and delete any Python-related files. After deleting everything, make sure to empty the trash. That's the manual way, slow and easy to miss files. If you'd prefer a faster and safer method, try App Cleaner and Uninstaller by Nektony. Here's how it works. Launch the app, select Python from the list on the left. Turn on Expert Mode to see all related support files. Click Uninstall. The app will find all associated files automatically, so you don't have to search through system folders. Confirm the removal. Already deleted the app manually? Just go to the Remaining Files tab to check for any leftover files. Select them and click Remove. We hope this video helped you completely uninstall Python from your Mac. For more expert Mac cleaning and optimization tips, subscribe to Nektony Software.